how to get water if the world is dead, the rivers are poison, and your thirst could kill you faster than the zombies. The taps? Dry. The rain? Glows at night. The bottled water aisle? Looted on day 1. You're 3 gulps away from drinking something you shouldn't. Time to make your own drinkable water, before the water makes you permanently undrinkable. Step 1. Find any filthy water. Mud puddle, fish tank, a bucket left outside since the bombs fell. Step 2. Boil it. Yes, over a fire. Yes, you'll need something metal. No, that rusty pot won't kill you as fast as dehydration. Step 3. Catch the steam with something cold. Metal sheet, glass lid, or your neighbor's trophy collection. Let it drip into a clean container.
And if clean is a stretch, at least make it the least disgusting thing you own. Steam leaves the dirt, the bugs, and most of the radiation behind. That drip, 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 that's survival in liquid form. If it smells weird, drink it anyway. Thirst doesn't care about your standards. But did you know